The products I'll be sharing in today's video will work on your hyperpigmentation, give you a glowing skin, improve your skin elasticity and your skin barrier, and also work on aging skin or prevent aging. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please share this with your loved ones, share with your friends, because in here we do not gatekeep information. My name is Elo, and please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much, and yeah, let's get into it. I'm starting off with my original KOJIE Sun soap. I already have a content on how to differentiate between original and fake KOJIE Sun soap. I use this soap 3 times in a week, only at night. I start by wetting my face, then I rub the soap into my wet palms to activate it. Then I gently rub in for 60 seconds and I allow it to stay for 10 seconds before washing it off. While I wash my face, let me tell you the benefit of using KOJIE Sun soap on your face. It's effective in helping to diminish the visibility of dark spots, melasma, wrinkles, acne scars, and uneven skin tone. It is stable to use on the face and you will start noticing results in 2 weeks. I also like that it's very hydrating and it has anti-inflammatory benefits. The soap is healthy, natural, and no chemical. Next is Beauty Formula's Brightening Vitamin C Facial Wash. This product is actively formulated with complex that includes vitamin B, C, E to provide the goodness your skin looks. It is white in color and it comes in a gel-like formula. I rub into my palms, of course, to activate it, and I rub it gently on my face. As I wash my face, let me tell you the benefit of using Beauty Formula Brightening Vitamin C Facial Wash. It has the ability to eliminate and balance your skin complexion to reveal your inner glow. It leaves your skin feeling clean, refreshed, and it's stable for all skin types. Next, I go with my ordinary AHA 30% and BHA 2% peeling solution. And this is a chemical exfoliant. Targets textural irregularities like dullness, uneven skin tone, hydrates the skin, and is suitable for all skin type. It is a water-based serum exfoliant and it is used once in a week on a dry skin. Please do not use this on a wet skin. Next is your toner. Toner is a part of your cleansing process. It can remove dirt, bacteria, makeup, pollution, dust. This toner from Beauty Formula is good for hyperpigmentation but not for acne prone or someone that has acne. Next is Dr. RASHEL Brightening Vitamin C Toner, also very good for all skin type and very effective. I must approve. If you are looking for a toner that is hydrating, SBC Expel Body Care is the right one for you. It is a hydrating face toner with aloe vera extract that helps to remove excess oil, dead skin cells to reveal a fresher looking beautiful skin. It's stable for all skin type and is formulated with allantoin and hyaluronic acid. Very effective on acne. Another one is Aqua 5.5 Balancing Toner. This toner is also very good to brighten and clarify the skin. Very good for acne, and this toner will not alternate your skincare complexion. But the one I'll be using in this video, can you guess which one should I use? The one matching my clothes? Okay, now I'm choosing the aloe vera. I want something hydrating that will give me a glowing skin. That's why I'm going for this one. So I'll just pour a little on my pants, I rub it together, and I'll gently be applying it on my face. Next is your serum. Serum can level up your skin game, no joke guys. So the serum I'll be showing you guys in today's video is Dr. RASHEL Vitamin C Serum, which is super affordable. Then I also have the Beauty Formula Vitamin C Serum. Another serum I'm approving is Balance Serum Vitamin C Serum. This is super good and it makes your skin glow effortlessly. But if you're in your late 30s, I approve this Chorus Day Vitamin C Serum with 23% of vitamin C and vitamin E. But the one I'll be using in today's video, can you guess? It is the Beauty Formula Vitamin C. I feel like they both have something in common because it is formulated with vitamin C, niacinamide, and vitamin E. I like to store it in the container because you know the vitamin C oxidize quickly. The serum will help to brighten my skin, hydrate my skin, and give me a smooth, flawless skin. I use my vitamin C serum once every day, only during the daytime. I also want to take out this moment to appreciate everyone that's been rooting for me. Like, you guys are so amazing. I see all the likes, I see all the comments, I see all the shares. I'm like, I just casually tell you people to share my videos. Are you people are truly sharing my video? And people that are keeping up to date, people that are watching, people that are watching and liking, commenting, and people that are watching all my ad. Like, you guys are too much. Thank you guys so much for the love, and I do not take you all for granted. And I promise you, if I'm not here to keep information from you guys. If I see any product that is effective, that works, I'm just going to share it without even looking for the what's even called for them to give me money or whatever. No, I'm not going to keep information. I'll keep sharing useful content, and I trust me, if you subscribe to my channel, you're not going to regret it. Please keep on sharing my video, and you guys are amazing. Thank you so much. Next is Dr. RASHEL White Skin Whitening Face Plus Serum. This serum is formulated with albutin and niacinamide. It reduces pigmentation, fade dark spots, and a smoother and brighter skin is guaranteed. I use this product 2 times in a day. Next is my Chorus Snail Mixing Essence. So how to spot the original and fake is just very easy. When you shake it and it doesn't give you that bubble inside, just know that the one you are using is fake. And also check out the label. The label is supposed to be yellow in color. If it's brown or not deep yellow, then the one you are using is fake. So like I said, this is Chorus Snail Mixing Essence. It is a lightweight essence that helps to hydrate and repair the skin. It has anti-aging benefits, and it's proven to promote a healthier skin without irritating the skin, and also improve the skin elasticity and barrier for a glowing, younger looking, beautiful skin. This serum can be used 2 times in a day, that is morning and night, for a glowing skin. Next is my Chorus Snail Mixing 92 all-in-one face cream. This face cream is also very good, that helps to hydrate the skin, to even out your skin tone. It repair, rebuild, and rejuvenates the skin. And after one application, you will notice that your skin is looking healthy and glowing. Then after applying my face cream, which will help to hydrate my skin, kicking out dryness and improving my skin elasticity and barrier, I would then go with my sunscreen. Using the 2 to 3 finger rules, I'll be applying my Dr. RASHEL Anti-Aging Moisture Sunscreen SPF 60. This sunscreen hydrates and has antioxidant benefits that helps to prevent the appearance of dark spots, and it has invisible finish, which means it has no white cast. I must say that this sunscreen will actually make you sweat more. And if you're looking for other alternative sunscreen I've used, if you're someone that don't mind going over the board with your budget, you can also get this Shield Dawn sunscreen and sun coat. I approve, it is so nice. So this is my daily skincare routine for hyperpigmentation and a glowing skin. Guys, you have come to the end of today's videos, and if you're looking for ways that you can support me, please watch the ads without skipping, like, comment, share my video to someone that needs it. And also you can buy some of these products on Amazon, and I'll be leaving the link on the comment section and also on my description box. And also you can purchase the super thanks sticker. Please, thank you so much, and I love you all. Bye.